Okay, for the next picture, there are some cats here. Okay, what can you see? What's the difference? We can actually separate these cats into two groups also. Okay, what we can do is we differentiate it by colors. So we have the gray ones here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the white ones, there's 3. So 3 and 5, the smaller number is 3. So 3 followed by 5. So the third number will be the total number of cats that you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so for addition sentences, 8 will be placed here. For subtraction ones, we write 8 here. So the first number, 3, 5. So always check 3 plus 5. Use your fingers. 3 plus 5 gives you 8. Next one, 5 plus 3 gives you 8. For subtraction, write 3 here followed by 5. So 8 take away 3 gives you 5. And then 8 take away 5 should give you 3. Okay?